I, Margaret Tobin Brown, was born on July 18, 1867. I was born to John Tobin and Joanna Collins. I was one out of 4 children, this including my older brother William, my oldest brother Daniel, and my youngest sister Helen. I was forced to get a job at the age of 13 to help support my family. My first job was stripping tobacco leaves. In my early 20s, I became very active in women's rights, along with Susan B. Anthony and Elizabeth Cady Stanton. On September 1, 1886, I got married to James Joseph Brown. Everyone had called him JJ. JJ was a rich man, but he had loved me even though I was poor. I had 2 kids with JJ, my son Larry Palmer Brown, and my daughter, Catherine Ellen Brown. I was traveling in Egypt in April of 1912 when I had received word that my grandson was ill. I had to go see him, so I booked a first-class ticket on the RMS Titanic. When the Titanic began to sink, I was aboard Lifeboat 6. The lifeboat was only filled halfway, so I persuaded the captain to go back and look for more survivors. I saved many lives that day. I died on October 26, 1932, due to a brain tumor. After my death, I became known as the unsinkable Molly Brown, and that is my life story.